Hi guys, today we are going to center the rear wheel and we are going to make the spacers for the sprocket and for the brake disc. Keep online. So here we have the monster mounted. I already attached the swing arm and put the rear wheel on. And if you follow me on Instagram, you have been seeing the rear axle that we made a couple days ago. It became pretty nice. The next thing is to be sure that the wheel is just on center of the bike, and the centering job we are going to do with this Black & Decker laser cross. So I put the lights off because it's easier for you to see the laser line in the camera. So now the line is going straight in the middle of the bike, and you can see it there on that bar. I did check that the line in the bar is in the same line with the motorcycle frame, so that should be okay. And now, as we can see, the laser line is like 5 millimeters off the center line in the rear wheel. So the rear wheel is 5 millimeters off. So we just should make that right and everything should be okay. This is now where the sprocket comes with that original bushing, or how do you call it in English? I'm calling it bush, but it's here and it spins freely. And when it's there, the sprocket is just online, so it is good on that dimensions. And what is that telling for us? It is telling us that the spacer needs to be something like the 75 millimeters approximately.
baby, we are always shining bright. Take me home tonight. I just wanna show you the true light. Light me up and make me feel alright. 'Cause baby, we are always shining bright. Take me home tonight. I just wanna show you the true light. Light me up and make me feel alright. 'Cause baby, we are
So we did machine a holder for the front sprocket, and now we are going to take these spikes off.
Cause baby, we are always shining bright. Take me home tonight. I just wanna show you the true light. Light me up and make me feel alright. Cause baby, we are always shining bright. Take me home tonight. I just wanna show you the true light. Light me up.
So now we have this piece which goes to gear shaft, and this is the offset piece, and then there's the sprocket spikes, and the spikes goes here, and this goes to the bottom of this offset like this. Then we're going to weld these together and hit that off from the bottom.
Take me home tonight. I just wanna show you the true light. Light me up and make me feel alright. 'Cause baby, we are always shining bright. Take me home tonight. I just wanna show you the true light. Light me up and make me.
So this is where we are now. The chain line is absolutely straight, not gay. And we have to still make this end for the sprocket to fit the bearing here to make it more durable. Tomorrow we are going to start build the rear subframe and so on. The Hayabusa front end is still on the machining guy, so you don't see it in this video, but maybe next time. Peace out! If you want to see more about these builds, hit subscribe button and click on the bell notifications. Until next time.